What's up, everyone? It's your boy Suave again with another video. So today we're gonna be replacing the temperature sensor in a LT1 or LS, or really any car, to be honest. It's the same process. All you're gonna need, if you got the LT1 or LS engine, this is a Camaro Firebird, same way. You're gonna need the part, of course, socket, and a 19 deep socket, and the socket wrench, of course. So the first thing you want to do, you want to remove the whole intake out. It's very simple. You don't have to do anything extravagant. All you gotta do is unscrew the stuff that's connected to it and take it out. It's so easy. All you need for that is a screwdriver, a flathead. So you want to raise this car up, because on this car it's low to the ground. You won't be able to get to it from the top, even though you can see it. So you see it right here. You can see it right here. I'm putting my finger on, but I'm gonna give you a better view when we get up under the car. So it's gonna be hard to take this off from the top, so we're gonna go up on the bottom. You wanna raise this car up, so let's go under. So I have mine on ramps, but you can jack it up with a jack and then put something on the other, jack the other side up as well. Hold it up. Let's get down up under it. Now, a warning. If you have not drained the coolant out of this car, you need to put something under here to catch the coolant, because we don't need any dogs or any animals, you know, getting to that coolant, and it's bad for the environment anyway. So I have a towel right here, just in case some dripped. I've already got all the coolant out. It may drip a little bit. So as you can tell, it's right here, located. The temperature sensor, not to be confused with the coolant level sensor. That's two different things. The coolant level sensor is the leveling of the coolant. It tells the level. This right here, the temperature sensor, is going to tell the temperature of the car, and it controls the fans. So you get this deep socket, put it on there. So loosen it up, then I can unscrew it with my hand. Now, if you do not drain it, it's going to be a lot of coolant coming out. You see some coming out there. So just imagine if you did not drain this thing, it will gush out. No joke. It will literally gush out everywhere. I'm trying to screw it in a little bit more. You can screw it in at the beginning with your hand. Do not put any tight thread on there, thread lock. Don't put any thread lock on that. It don't need it. It comes with a little robo thread on it already. So you just screw it in regularly, and then you tighten it up. Not too tight, but tight enough to where it's not coming out, with your socket and your wrench. And that'll be all, man. That's how you change it. Easy as pie. I hope this video was helpful to everyone out there. Till next time, peace.